That's a strike. Everybody, he's about to stick to the script. What can I say? I didn't finish him, but that's okay. That's what hands behind my back, everybody. Now imagine my hands was in front of me. I'm a bad man. Somebody out there better call my mama.